We try our hand into road construction, guys. Just watch this, family. Follow along and see some of the things we are doing in Liberia. It doesn't matter the job, we will give it our best shot. At the end of this video, you tell me what you think. First thing we had to do was to take out all of the topsoil, grade it down. As you can see, we are opening a brand new road into the community. Prime construction production. Community dwellers are excited to see road coming into their community that is not being sponsored by World Bank or government. Just watch and follow along. We have to take our own development into our own hands. You can't wait for somebody to come and save you. If you want it done, if you want it done right, you have to do it yourself. 100% sponsor and taken care of by Prime Construction, guys. Just watch. So that was, as you can see, all those organic particles. We had to take everything down. Get them out of the way. And then we went into opening the entire road. Get it to a good solid ground. And then out of the place in the front end of the road, we use the sand and debris that was parked there from the government facing the road to fill up all of those potholes and stuff, because this is not something that is being sponsored by government. They were actually skipping the entire exit lane that goes into the community or passing over it. So it's when Prime Construction stepped in and we said, well, we'll open up this road so that when the main road construction gets here, they will consider this as, a road. So sometimes in life you have to take matters into your own hands. You can't wait and assume that people will think about you, or people will come to your aid, or people will come and help you. I don't believe in that. If I want it done, I go and get it. Straight up. Alright? So you can see we are filling, because all the place was all dish and stuff that the neighbor dug, because that place can get filled up with water, so they come and use it to try to protect their property. But even as that, the water still can pass over and go to the outside. So we are filling up all of the dish. And then after filling that up, we went deep into the community, opening up the road. Like I said, just follow along. Seeing is believing, guys. We talk the talk and we walk the walk. And we choose to test our limits and see how far we can go. You got one life to live. There's nothing to be afraid of. Take your chances. Go for it. As the saying goes, if you want change, you have to be the change. Alright? So after clearing the road and taking all of the foreign particle off, we brought in the red dirt, or some people might call it laterite. We will call it in Liberian red dirt. So we are using the laterite now to compact the road. Again, 100% taken care of by Prime Construction. That's our way of giving back to our community that we work and live. All right. We're bringing more and more dirt, laterite that will be used at the actual step of the road. Hopefully, when the government can help us tie this one, but I doubt it. I'm hoping that will happen. But again, we're not going to sit there and wait for government to come to our aid. We're going to take our own development into our own hands and make it happen. This is not rocket science. It's not that crazy expensive anyways. So that is that. As you can see, more and more trucks keep coming. Just watch, because I want you to see the finished product of how it turned out. We just keep bringing them in, and dumping them on the road. Yep. Prime Construction, guys. If you need your blueprints, we got you covered. If you need clearing your land, we got you covered. Now, if you need your roads down into your community, call us. We got you covered too as well. All right. Yeah, so it's all about being proactive on what you want to see in your community, what you want to see in your life, and just going for it. But nobody gonna have your best interest at heart than you. Nobody gonna do that, and we can't sit and wait for government to do everything for us. So we decided to take the lead. We decided to step up and make things happen. But like I said, just continue to watch. You will see the finished product. Just less than 15-minute video, so continue to watch and see how we did it. If you want something like this done in your community and stuff, contact us. We will definitely help you out with this, because just from doing this, we got all of the experience and contacts and connects that's necessary to do something like this. All right. Thank you for watching. Prime Construction, the company to trust. We are not perfect, but we're gonna make sure we execute on your project. If there's any issue that you have, we will be responsive and take care of it. All right. After taking up all of the dead soil or the organic particle or soil, topsoil from the ground, we fill the entire length and breadth of the road with laterite, because we want to build it up high. And then we brought in the front end loader to spray it out. Because it's the rainy season right now, we'll let nature also help us in the process for proper compacting. Prime Construction Road Project. Wow, I can't believe I'm even saying these words. Prime Construction Road Project. We are grateful, we are humble. And we want to thank all of our customers, all of our well-wishers. We are super grateful to you for everything. All of our supporters, We want to say we love you. Thank you for being there for us because no matter who you are, you need people to get somewhere. You can't do it by yourself. No man is an island. And we are super grateful to our customers. We are super grateful to our staff. We are super grateful to our supporters. We just want to say thank you. We couldn't have come this far without your help, your prayer, your money, your contracts that you gave us. Like I said, where there's no way, we make way. We just believe that everything's gonna be okay, so we act on that when we make our decisions and we let the rest take care of itself. Anything you want to do in life, just start, and help will come along the way. Make your mistakes, learn in the process, help other people in the process. And yeah, but the rope turned out very good so far. But just continue to watch so you can see how the finished product turned out. We are very proud of this project because we know how many people it's going to help and opening roads into the community. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Now we have forcing the government hands to connect this road with the main road as they do their project. We can't sit around and wait for somebody to come to our aid. We have to be proactive. We have to step in there. We have to play our part. So if you want something like this done in your community, on your property, contact us. We will make it happen. All right? We can thank you again, everyone that we have worked with, that plan on using our service in the near future. Just say thank you. Just say thank you. Yep, just look at the road. Already found it, right? I mean, just from where we started to where it is right now, it's crazy. Yep. From where we started to where it is right now, it's something that we are super proud of. And we keep challenging ourselves with different projects. That is that, guys. We're still working on it, but I just wanted to update you on some of the other things we are doing besides just building homes and commercial property. We are also helping ourselves and our people, our community, by being proactive and doing the best we can. One love. Contact us for all of your construction projects in Liberia. I'm out.